Do you know that 43% of the websites on the internet are built with WordPress, including top brands, online stores, and big media houses? If you've decided to learn this skill, I must say you've made a wise decision. Learning this skill will change your career and your financial future. Imagine building websites for clients anywhere in the world, earning in dollars or in naira, or even owning your own online business. Web designers are in high demand today, and the good news is you've come to the right place to learn this skill. The best training institute in Nigeria, Bizmarrow Technologies. WordPress is the most powerful and beginner-friendly way to design stunning websites without coding. So whether you want to learn how to design business websites, e-commerce stores, blogs, or portfolio, learning this skill opens doors to high-paying job roles like web designer, WordPress developer, SEO specialist, freelance web consultant, and e-commerce website creator. And the best part is, you don't need a degree to get started. All you need is the right training. To master WordPress, here is what you need to learn step by step. Introduction to web design and WordPress. Understanding how a website works and why WordPress is the best. 2. Customization and settings. Setting up and customizing websites. Installing WordPress, choose themes and build up from scratch. Plugins and advanced features. Enhanced functionality with essential plugin tools like Illuminator, WooCommerce, and SEO tools. E-commerce and online payments. Create and manage online stores with ease. SEO and performance optimization. Rank high on Google and make websites load faster. Building real-world projects, you get hands-on experience designing client-ready websites. Freelance and job ready, you learn how to get clients, remote job, and international job opportunities. At Bizmarrow Technologies, we don't just teach, we train you for real-world success. Now here's why we stand out. Practical hands-on training, no boring lecture. A dedicated trainer is assigned to you to give you 100% attention. No crowded classroom. We keep our classes small for personalized learning. Physical and online classes are available so you can learn in Nigeria or anywhere at all you are in the world. Job readiness training will help you start freelancing and land high-paying jobs. The best time to start is now. Delay means missing out on opportunities. And here is something special for you. Register today and get a free bonus training on how to start earning online as a WordPress expert. But hurry, the spots are limited. Click the link to register now and take the first step towards building an exciting career in tech. See you in class. Bye.